Let's jump right into this comparison of the Gigabyte M27Q and the Samsung Odyssey G5. The Gigabyte M27Q is a 27-inch gaming monitor featuring a 2560 by 1440 Quad HD Super Speed IPS display that offers a refresh rate of up to 170 Hz and a rapid 0.5 millisecond response time, ensuring smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur. It supports AMD FreeSync Premium technology to reduce screen tearing and stuttering, and covers 92% of the Digital Cinema Initiative's P3 color gamut, providing vibrant visuals with high dynamic range readiness. The monitor is equipped with multiple connectivity options, including one DisplayPort, 1.2 to HDMI 2.0 ports, and two USB 3 ports, along with a built-in keyboard video monitor switch that allows users to control two connected devices using a single keyboard and mouse. Additionally, it features a brightness level of up to 400 nits and a contrast ratio of 1000:1, along with wide viewing angles of 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically, making it suitable for various viewing positions and settings. The Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G50D series gaming monitor features a high-resolution quad high-definition display 2560 by 1440 with a fast IPS panel that offers vibrant colours and a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Designed for gamers, it boasts an impressive 180 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, ensuring minimal lag and smooth gameplay. The monitor supports VISA Display High Dynamic Range 400, enhancing contrast with deeper blacks and brighter whites, making it ideal for immersive gaming experiences. Additionally, it includes AMD FreeSync technology to eliminate screen tearing, while the ergonomic stand allows for height adjustment tilt and swivel for optimal comfort during extended gaming sessions. Eye Saver mode further reduces blue light emission, promoting eye comfort over long periods of use. The Gigabyte M27Q excels in various performance scenarios, making it a versatile choice for gaming professional work and casual use. In gaming, the monitor's response time and refresh rate deliver a smooth experience with minimal input lag, while its support for AMD FreeSync Premium helps eliminate screen tearing, enhancing competitive gameplay. For professional work, the 92% DCI P3 color accuracy ensures vibrant and precise colors, making it suitable for content creation and graphic design tasks. However, the monitor's lower contrast ratio may limit its effectiveness in darker environments. In casual use, the wide viewing angles of the IPS panel make it ideal for group viewing or multimedia consumption, although some users may notice motion blur during fast-moving scenes. Overall though, the M27Q balances high performance across different uses while incorporating features like a KVM switch for added convenience. The Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G50D series excels in various performance scenarios, making it a versatile choice for gaming professional work and casual use. In gaming, its impressive 180 Hz refresh rate, combined with a rapid 1 millisecond response time, ensures ultra-smooth visuals and minimal motion blur, which is crucial for fast-paced titles. The monitor's compatibility with AMD FreeSync technology further enhances the gaming experience by synchronizing the refresh rate with the graphics card to eliminate screen tearing. For professional work, the monitor offers excellent color accuracy, covering 99% of the sRGB color gamut and providing vivid and precise colors without the need for extensive calibration. However, while it supports VISA Display 400, its HDR performance is somewhat limited due to lower brightness levels and a low contrast ratio, which may affect tasks requiring high dynamic range visuals. Overall, the Odyssey G50D balances gaming performance with adequate capabilities for professional and casual applications. The Gigabyte M27Q offers a solid picture quality characterized by its brightness, contrast and color reproduction. With a peak brightness of 350 nits, it performs well in well-lit environments, effectively combating glare. However, it struggles to deliver impactful highlights in HDR content due to its limited HDR performance and low contrast ratio of 1000:1, which results in blacks appearing grey in darker settings. Color reproduction is one of its strong points as it covers 92% of the DCI P3 color gamut and 140% of the sRGB spectrum, providing vibrant and accurate colors that are particularly beneficial for content creators, often requiring minimal calibration. Despite its impressive color accuracy, the monitor's overall picture quality can be hindered in dimly lit rooms due to the lack of local dimming features and the inherent limitations of IPS panels in producing deep blacks. The Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G50D series delivers a mixed performance in terms of picture quality, particularly regarding brightness, contrast and color reproduction. It achieves good brightness levels suitable for well-lit environments, effectively combating glare. However, its HDR capabilities are limited, resulting in small highlights that fail to stand out against the overall image. The monitor also suffers from a low contrast ratio, which causes blacks to appear grey in darker settings, diminishing the depth of images and making it less ideal for HDR content. While it offers decent colour reproduction with impressive coverage of the sRGB colour space, the colours can lack vibrancy, especially in HDR mode, where the accuracy diminishes, while the G50D provides a solid experience for gaming with its high refresh rate and quick response time. Its picture quality may not meet the expectations of users seeking rich and lifelike visuals. Setting up the Gigabyte M27Q monitor is straightforward, as it comes pre-assembled with only the base requiring attachment, allowing users to quickly connect their devices. The menu navigation is user-friendly, utilizing a joystick located at the rear of the monitor for easy access to settings, including a dedicated KVM button that facilitates switching between connected computers seamlessly. Ergonomically, the monitor offers height adjustment of up to 130mm and tilt options, ensuring comfortable viewing angles for extended use. Additionally, it features a variety of ports, including one display, port 1.22 HDMI, 2.0 and two USB 3.0 ports, which enhance connectivity options. The built-in KVM switch is particularly beneficial for users with multiple systems, allowing them to control both computers using a single keyboard and mouse setup without the need for additional hardware. The Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G50D series offers a user-friendly experience in terms of setup, menu navigation and ergonomics. Setting up the monitor is straightforward with clear instructions and minimal assembly required, allowing users to quickly get started. The on-screen display menu is intuitive, enabling easy access to various settings such as brightness, contrast and color adjustments. Ergonomically, the monitor features an adjustable stand that allows for height, tilt, swivel and pivot adjustments, promoting comfortable viewing angles during extended use. Special features include Eye Saver mode to reduce blue light emissions for eye comfort, and Auto Source Switch Plus, which automatically detects and switches to the active input source. However, the monitor has limited connectivity options with only one HDMI, 2.0 port and one display. Port 1.2 port, lacking additional USB ports for device connectivity. For users considering these two monitors, the choice largely depends on specific needs and preferences. For competitive gamers, the Samsung Odyssey G50D is highly recommended due to its 180Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, which provide a smoother gaming experience with minimal lag. Its compatibility with AMD FreeSync and G-Sync enhances gameplay by reducing screen tearing, making it ideal for fast-paced games, for content creators and general use. The Gigabyte M27Q stands out with its impressive color accuracy and HDR readiness, making it suitable for tasks that require vibrant colors and details such as photo editing or video production. Its slightly lower refresh rate of 165 Hz is still excellent for gaming, but may be less critical for users focused on productivity. In summary, choose the Samsung Odyssey G50D for high-performance gaming, while the Gigabyte M27Q is better suited for creative tasks and general use where color accuracy is paramount. Thanks for watching. Please let us know your thoughts on these monitors below. Remember to check the pricing between these monitors using the links below.